With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello friends, here the question is, in a triangle ABC, D is the midpoint of AB and CD is a perpendicular to AB. Bisector of angle ABC meets CD at E and AC at F. Prove that E is equidistant from A and B. So now here first we have to suppose this is our triangle like this. Like this. This is our triangle. Here. Now here it is triangle ABC. Suppose this is a triangle ABC. Clear? Now it is saying that D is the midpoint of AB. So here D is the midpoint of AB. So here we plot D is the midpoint of AB. Now it is saying that CD is perpendicular to AB. That means here CD, that we have to join this line. This CD is perpendicular to AB. So here we get this line. This is line perpendicular. So here it is 90 degree. Now it is saying that bisector of angle ABC, bisector of angle ABC, that means this angle bisector. So here we draw bisector of this angle like this. Clear? Now here we see that this is the bisector of angle B. Now it is saying that bisector of angle ABC meets CD at E, that means at CD it is E, meets at E, and AC at F, that means AC at F. So here we get F. Now prove that E is equidistant from A and B, that means E is equidistant from B and A, that means you have to join this line like this. So now here we get AE. Now here it is saying that prove that E is equidistant from A and B, that means E is equidistant from A and equidistant from B, that means this line is equals to this line. Now we have to prove. Clear? So now here let us start the solution. Here in a triangle EDA, in a triangle EDA and a triangle EDB, here ED is a common in both the triangles. We see that ED is common in both the triangles. So here we write ED is equals to ED common both the triangles. Clear? Now here we see that angle EDA is equals to angle EDB because both are the 90 degree. Clear? So now here we write angle EDA is equals to angle EDB is equals to 90 degree. Clear? Now here it is 90 degree because here it is given in the question that CD is perpendicular to AB. So here we can write like this: CD is perpendicular to AB. It's a given. Clear? Now here we see that this it is in the question it is said that D is the midpoint of AB. D is the midpoint of AB. That means it is dividing the line AB in two parts. That means here this line is equals to this line. So here we say that AD is equals to BD. AD is equals to BD because here D is the midpoint of AB. Midpoint of AB. It is given. Clear? So now here we see that here by SAS congruency these two triangles are congruent. This triangle EDA and EDB are congruent. Clear? So now here we say that triangle EDA is congruent to triangle EDB. Clear? So now here it is congruent by SAS, that is side angle side congruency. Clear? So now here if these two triangles are congruent, then we say that EA is equals to EB. Then we say that EA is equals to EB. Clear? So now here we say that here we say that A is equidistant from A and B. So here we say that E is at equidistance from A and B. Clear? So here this is our required answer. I hope you understand. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.